Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, modules in Python. What are the predefined built-in modules are available in Python language, how we can simply integrate in our application and use the modules by segregating a large extension of complex applications. We'll see more in our video session. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about modules in Python. Modules in a Python is basically a file, a simple Python file. We can call it as a module, which is having Python code, and we can organize the code in multiple files and folders. We have to just using sections. I think observed in supermarket there is sections are divided like fruits and vegetables and soups and eatables and oils. These are the sections will available in supermarket. Likewise, the methods and particular methods we can make it as in some certain place, and some methods we can place it as in some place, and all the Python files as what we are discussing about the modules. These are the files we can group it as the functionality based on. And now, right, instead of writing all the code in a single file, in object oriented also we have discussed about it. By chunks we are making like a functions. Likewise, we will make it as an instead of writing a single file of the code, we can split into multiple files like .py extension file name, that we can call it as a module. And better to have a large extent and having a better idea about these files, we will group them and organizing them within a structure what we are going to following. And this is the way where the module, a small module like a small Python code file, we can reuse whenever it is which is required to use in some certain places. For the purpose also we can create the modules in the different files. Simply we can see that like common methods and common files we can move to a single folder, and like a database interacting files and all the things will comes into the single folder with module wise will disaggregate, and like email templates and all the things which are the templates are available like modules will create and make it them into the single folder, call it as an emails. Likewise, we will see a simple module how to invoke into our main program file. The modules from where to where you can call by simply importing, that's it. Nothing is there. We will see by example app.py is my current file. One more file I am creating here to write a module name called converters. Go to the project folder and right click, new file name is Python file. If you choose a Python file, it will be automatically comes with the .py extension in PyCharm IDE. The file name is converters. Converters. Hit enter and it will be created. And also you can call it as a module. And here I'm writing a simple function like definition of the function is lbs underscore converting lbs underscore to cages. What I am converting? Weight. I'm passing the parameter of weight. Yes. Now I have to print here like a print means I'm passing the parameter anyhow. I'm taking the return value from here. What is that? Weight 0.45. The cages it will be returned, and kgs like kg underscore kgs to here also we have to write kg. kg to LBS. What is the way it will be? 4 file. It will be written in the LBS. Right? Written is in a keyword by default. This is the converters.py. I have prepared a Python file. I am calling it as a module. Alright. In this module, now hit here one more enter. Python will satisfy. Right. There is no more errors and error free. No empty line. Alright. And now I am going to importing this particular module to my main file of app.py. Here you will see I have a converters.py and common methods I have mentioned wherever I require to call these methods to LBS to KZ conversion and KZ to LBS conversions. I won't repeat these lines at many times wherever I require. Entire the program I'll call by importing this module to that particular file, and I will use these methods. Alright, now see how it will be. In app.py, what I'm going to do is import converters. See, converters dot. That's it. Converters, name of the module name. That's enough. No more extensions required here. Import space converters. That's it. That file, and it will be available here for all the information which is available in this particular module. I'm importing here everything. Now we will see here. I'm passing a parameter to evaluate this LBS to kg weight and forward. And, print here what I want to take get the return value. That method name, like what I want to print here. Converters by calling that particular method dot kg to LBS. First we will see that. See, these two methods are showing here. Kgs to LBS. Kgs to LBS, and 70 I'm sending here the value. Now we will see the printout. Run the program, and the conversion value is 1.55 155.55 something is the converting value it's returning. See how I am using the modules. It's pretty easy. And if you convert into the another method is there, like dot. If I press dot, then it will be shows automatically. You need not to write anything. And see here, I'll show you. Press dot, and the methods will come there. If you press dot, it will be by selection of the arrow keys, and you can choose whatever you require. And passing the weight of the parameter, why we are receiving the one parameter object here. And it can be says, can be says it's an argument. By passing the parameters using the method names, we can call it as an arguments. It's not parameters. And here we can call it as an parameters. Alright, now see, this is what about in a simple way how to use and how to handle modules in Python language. Just simply you can import it and use it, what are available, the methods or function and functionality of the small pieces of chunks of code, without repeating and rewriting the code. You can use the simplify and invoking the particular module and use here.
I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, if any required regarding this tutorial, watch the below description where my contact details are available. Thank you.